Car wash proof. Car washes are graveyards for antennas. Just time before long factory antennas bend and snap. Our redesigned 6 3/4, effective the 11th of February 2019, now stouts a new level of strength, so much so that we guarantee and replace any that break in a car wash within 2 full years from purchase date. If it breaks, we issue a replacement. Its strength is tried, tested and proven. Same superb reception, new strength standards. More details below. Strength 304 stainless steel threading, made in Wisconsin. The connection to your truck is crucial. Weak brass threading often snaps, leaving you extracting broken pieces out of your antenna base. Rest assured, our stainless steel threading will confidently secure your new antenna. Durable EPDM rubber construction, specially formulated flexible rubber specific for the application of an antenna, withstanding temperatures of 257 degrees Fahrenheit. Unmatched reception, superb performance. Our 6 3/4 German-engineered antenna uses choice quality materials, including a highly conductive internal copper coil. While most short antennas are constructed of aluminum or steel, our copper coil is up to 85% more conductive, allowing it to pull in stations most short antennas simply dream of. Simple science, real results. Exclusivity. Our 6 3/4 is exclusively made for us by a premium OEM manufacturer. Its levels of performance and durability will not be found elsewhere. The authenticity of our 6 3/4 can now be found with our faint logo in the bottom of rubber molding. With countless hours of engineering, it's important to have an assuring mark knowing you got the real deal. The quality level of our 6 3/4 must not be confused with attempted duplicates. Easy installation. Mere minutes is all it takes, with an added minute to step back to admire the new improved looks of your truck. Note: in rural locations one may see a decrease in reception and range. This is due to the large reduction in size from the factory OEM antenna mast. Top reviews from the United States. Easy replacement. The original equipment antenna would not fit in my garage. This was a quick and easy change and it works.